I'm Bob Patterson, owner of Quality Muffler, and we would like to welcome you to our business today. We've been in business since 1981, and we are very grateful for what we've been blessed to serve and to help and to become. This is my daughter Erica. She's the receptionist that does all of the answering the phone, a lot of the work that takes to get the parts and make the invoices, meet the people, and very grateful to have her here with us. And also I appreciate having my son Nathan, whom we will see in just a couple moments.
Get started in this business, Bob?
Well, back in '81 I got laid off from the railroad, and my brother owned this type of business, and I worked with him for about a year and decided I needed to do something else in life, so we came to St. Jan and started Quality Muffler. Then in 1990 we actually came to the location we're at now, and it was this office and 2 bays, and we added those 2 bays on, and then about 10 years ago we put the other 2 bays on. So we are doing everything that we possibly can to be prepared for the people, to take care of them. We're constantly going to school, training, staying with the latest technology that is possible. We've bought the latest diagnostics equipment and things that we can to service the people of the town as well as they have served us. In these 2 bays, we do a full line of tires. We've got the latest equipment and computer balancing for the tires. We've got a tire machine that does all of the breaking down, switching them around. And, we also have, this is a special press that's done for doing front struts. We actually have to compress the spring, very safe. Takes the spring off, puts it on the new strut and stuff. And then on this rack here, we actually have the latest 4-wheel alignment. It's a computerized machine. It has the screens on it. It actually films and motions, sees what the tire is actually doing as you roll it back and forth and turn it, and then it shows up on this computerized machine screen, and you from there you make the adjustments that you need. The gentleman under here working is Kevin Worley. He's the latest addition to our crew, and we appreciate him being a part of who and what we are. He does the alignments, he does tires, brakes, oil changing, all types of, about anything that we need. He just jumps in, fills in and does it. He done thermostat just a couple minutes ago, filled it back up with coolant. He does belts and hoses, water pumps if I need it. So we're very grateful to have him to the addition at Quality Muffler. And then in this other bay is my son Nathan. He is our A-Tech. He's the one that goes to school all the time to learn how to fix all the check engine lights, run problems, drivabilities. He does most of all of the tune-ups. What he's got hooked up to the machine now here is a transmission flush machine, and it will clean the transmission, flush all the fluid out and back in, make it back close to what it was, or as close to it can be for the way it was when it came out of the factory. And then over here on the side is the latest equipment that we could get. This is actually exactly what dealerships use. And these are the scan tools for GM, Ford, and Chrysler. They'll put specifications back, latest updates, flashing. It'll do everything that possibly needs done in the line of diagnostics technology.
What do we have here, Bob?
This machine here is an AC machine. When it's 40 degrees, you don't actually need it, but when it starts getting hot, this machine will recover, measure, filter, and tell you exactly how much Freon you had in your car. We have people to come in and say, it just doesn't seem like it's operating proper. This machine will actually recover it, measure it, and we will know exactly how much was in there. Then we refill it to the proper specs. It actually cleans it and will help your AC to work as efficient as it possibly can and be back to manufacturing specs. So, very good machine. We also do a lot of water pumps, radiators, We do timing belts, hoses, you name it, just about everything. These two bays, we pretty well do everything that has liquid in it due to the drains that are here, and we can flush and keep everything as neat as possible. You can bend it however you want to bend it. You just tell it what to do and it will do it for us. We've bent all kinds of exhaust stuff for show cars, things people were building. We've done some chairs, we've done stuff for school, we've done all kinds of things that people need pipes bent for, and we're always just happy to help those that are doing some projects and taking care of things that they need.
So you don't have to pre-order a certain...
Don't have to pre-order. I get the mufflers, and from there I just make all of the tubing. We just bend it ourselves, customize it to fit what we're going on. Keeps down the stock. You don't have to stock a lot of stuff besides just some straight sticks, and works really well. This is a Pro Cut machine. This is a brake blade that will see here on the side where it will actually calibrate the run out that's on the bearings that are on the vehicles. This gives you the best possible cut that you can have on your brakes. We have people that come in and say, well, when I start slowing down, when I come off the highway, my car wants to pulsate, it shakes a little bit. But that's what's actually wrong. This rotor will be warped a little bit and it's shaking, and you feel that. So this machine will actually calibrate for any run out that's there. Once it does, and you can see how smooth it is now, it just actually automatically starts cutting as it comes out on the rotor and leaves it to be a perfect smooth finish for your brake pads to work against. So this is the latest technology they have. Cutting them on the car is what they call them, and adjusting it to the chassis that is there. We also do in this bay, most of the time, all of our services. We have full line of everything. We do oil changing, you name it, we do it. Tire repairs, full line. We've got the latest of everything that you can in the oil types. There is a lot of different types of oil. It's not just one oil that goes in all of the vehicles anymore. We keep a full line. Those that take specialty oils, we've got those in quarts and cases in the back. And so we're here to help you any manner that we can. We appreciate the people that come in. Well, we feel like it's a privilege for us to be able to serve the people of St. Genevieve since 1981. Thank you.